Yes, a very good afternoon to all of you. Yes, beta, what we revised yesterday, we started revision. Which chapter was revised? Chapter number 2. What is the name of the chapter? What all of you? And we revised the different types of teeth and structure of our tooth. Okay, we did the structure of tooth, and yes, many of the students I checked yesterday, they have drawn the structure, but some improvement, it needs somewhat improvement. इसमें कुछ improvement चाहिए. Do the practice, okay? Do more and more practice, then you will be able to draw it very nicely. It's not difficult. Once more after this, we will draw it again. Before that, we are going to revise what is left in the chapter, but we have not done yesterday. Can you tell me how many sets of teeth are there? 2 sets. How many sets? And what is the purpose? What is the use of the teeth? Yes, once, yes, beta. Online students, write in the chat box. What is the use of teeth? To chew the food. Yes, use of teeth. Or function of teeth. What we can write? Different functions of teeth. You have to write practice work. Note it down in the notebook. Functions of teeth. Number 1, he said to chew the food. Number 1, to chew the food. Number 2, yes, yes, but when we chew food, it is easily digestible. Another function, so chewing hogi, chewing and grinding, same thing. And anyone else? Yes. Okay, beta is done. Second is they help to speak they help us to speak. और क्या काम करते हैं? They help us to speak. They help us to speak. They help us to speak. Some words are there which we cannot speak clearly if teeth are not there. A tongue and teeth, they both help to speak. And one more function, yes, very good. They give shape to the face. They give shape to the face. So they give shape to the face. They help us to speak. Main function is they have to chew the food. They have to eat. Okay, they have to grind, crush, bite, hold the food. Sit down. Okay, so then how many sets of teeth are there? How many sets of teeth are there? Two sets of teeth. How many sets of teeth? How many sets of teeth are there? How many sets of teeth? Can you name these 2 sets? Yes, first set speak out. Beta. Yes, beta, you need to write in the notebook. Write on the name of the chapter and write on practice work. We will write only hints, mind maps. Okay? We will not write it in detail, but we will revise the full chapter like this. So two sets of teeth. Two sets of teeth. Yes, two sets of teeth. Number one, write it. Yes, beta. Temporary teeth. Number one. Temporary teeth. Temporary teeth का ही एक और नेम है milk teeth. Temporary teeth और temporary teeth and yes, and permanent teeth. Temporary teeth and yes. What is the number of temporary teeth? What is the number of temporary teeth? Yes, 20. They are 20 in number. And can you tell me the age at which these teeth they start appearing? किस एज में बेबी के कितनी एज का होता है जब नो वेरी गुड व्हाट्स योर नेम Taranjot very good yes sit down beta temporary teeth they appear when the baby is 3 to 6 sorry 6 to 12 months or 6 to 12 months and the baby is of 6 years then first milk teeth it starts appearing थोड़ा सा इधर उधर हो सकता है there may be 6 की जगह पे 7 months हो जाए या फिर क्या हो जाए 7-8 months और किसी का 12 months के कंप्लीट होने पे जो milk teeth first milk teeth start appearing तो ये पूरा 20 का सेट कब पूरा होगा at what age 6 to 12 में तो बेटा अपीयर होना स्टार्ट होता है और टीथ ग्रो करना स्टार्ट करते हैं कंप्लीट सेट कब हो जाता है टेम्परेरी टीथ का पूरे 20 के 20 कंप्लीट कब होती है एट द एज ऑफ नो एट द एज ऑफ नो 3 years at the age of 3 years this set is completed complete set is there at the age of 3 years because at the age of 3 years and at what are the permanent so they will start falling one by one अब एक एक करके ये गिर जाते हैं तो गिरना कब स्टार्ट होते हैं एट द एज ऑफ 5 to 6 at the age of 5 to 6 years they fall they start falling at the age of 5 to 6 years now they will be replaced by a permanent teeth they will be replaced by because they will be replaced by they will be replaced by permanent teeth can you tell me the total number of permanent teeth all of you how many permanent teeth are there 32 they will remain there until we get old जब तक हम बूढ़े नहीं हो जाते ओके अगर हम टीथ की प्रॉपर केयर करते हैं तो हम बूढ़े होने तक ये टीथ हमारे साथ रहते हैं लाइक टेम्परेरी टीथ और milk teeth will fall at the age of 5 or 6 years but they will remain there so we should take a good care of our teeth okay so permanent teeth they start appearing at the age of 5 और 6 के बाद ये फॉल हो जाते हैं और इनकी जगह पे परमानेंट आना स्टार्ट हो जाती है और ये कंप्लीट सेट हो जाता है एट द एज ऑफ 12 to 13 years. Here will be complete set. Okay. बट आपके तब होते 28 जब पर्सन और ओल्ड हो जाते हैं 18 इयर्स तक, देन वी विल गेट ऑल 32 teeth. Yes, बेटा. अगर पूरी केयर नहीं करोगे तो अभी भी आपके दांत टूट सकते हैं, ये परमानेंट भी टूट सकते हैं, खाना भी नहीं खा पाओगे, कोई खाने का टेस्ट भी नहीं पता चलेगा. Okay? Yes, so your food should be good. Avoid sweets and chocolates. Okay, brush your teeth twice a day. Good care करनी चाहिए. We should take a good care of our teeth. Then after that, different kinds of teeth. This we did yesterday also. Okay, how many permanent teeth are there? 32. 32. How many permanent teeth are there? 32. Yes, permanent teeth हमारे कितने होते हैं? 32. And how many kinds of teeth are there? 4. 4. How many kinds of teeth? 4. Very first, incisors. Yes, kinds of teeth. Beta. Yes. The front teeth, what do we call them? Incisors. Spelling बोलोगे? I-N. Oh, C. I-N. C. C-I-S-O-R-S. Incisors. We got all of you? Incisors. How many incisors in each jaw, Beta? Yes, online students. Himanshu, unmute yourself, Beta. Good. Yes, no response. Hemank, unmute yourself, Hemank. Gurnaman, no response from your side, beta. Are you there in the class? Video off. I'll mark you absent when you don't respond. Ji, beta,
Ma'am, what?
Gurnaman, what is the number of incisors in?
Ma'am, 4.
Number of incisors each jaw?
4.
Yes, beta. How many?
4, ma'am. 4.
You don't concentrate, beta. अभी कल तो हमने किया. Yes.
Ma'am, 4.
जिसने बकरी के नाम से किया जो है. Let me see who is. Yes, beta. Who is this student? Okay, beta. So he is very good. Mankaran has written how many incisors? 4 in each jaw. So how many jaws are there? upper jaw and lower jaw. Upper jaw and lower jaw. Same number and same kind of teeth are there in both the jaws. So 4 plus 4, how many are in total? 8. How many incisors? 8. Next kind of teeth, Garima. Canines. Very good. Next kind. Canines. Yes, canines are there on each side. One canine on each side of incisors. So in each jaw, how many? 2. Very good. 2 in each jaw. The total number is equal to 4. Total number is equal to 4. Yes. Next, beta. How many? Sorry, next. Name the next type of teeth. Molars. Molars से पहले क्या आती है? Molars. How many molars in each jaw? First bench. 4. In each jaw, 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. And premolars के बाद each side of premolars, 3 molars, 3 this side, 3 this side, 3 this side, 3 this side. Total 12. ये क्या हो गया? 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. And function of incisors. Let me ask the online students. Yes, Aryan. Aryan, unmute yourself, beta.
Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, beta. How many? Sorry, what is the function of incisors?
The 4 front teeth are
Function of
called incisors. Ma'am, the 4 front teeth are blunt. These are called incisors.
I'm asking the function of incisors. They are used to cut and bite. They are used for cutting and biting. Or cutting and
Ma'am,
they are used for cutting and biting the food.
I'm holding, biting, cutting.
Very good. Holding, biting, cutting, all these are function of incisors. Yes, very good, Aryan. Then Arnav. Arnav, unmute yourself, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
जी बेटा, आप बोलोगे function of canines. What is
The function of canine is to tear the food.
tearing? Function of canines is tearing. They are used to tear the food. Like lions can के होते हैं ना, canines बहुत sharp होते हैं. Then after that, yes, rest of the students can write the answer in the Sorish. Sorish, unmute.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, beta, what is the function of premolars?
Ma'am, crossing.
बेटा थोड़ा सा loudly बोलो.
Ma'am, crushing.
Premolars?
Ma'am, crushing.
Crushing. Very good. Okay, they are used for crushing. Okay, and function of molars, grinding. Very good. Function of molar is grinding. So these सभी जो actions हैं they are included in chewing the food. We chew the food. Chewing includes cutting, tearing, crushing, grinding, all that. All these actions are included. Clear? Now after that, we did the structure of tooth yesterday. Yes. So before doing it again, we will do, what do you mean by cavities? What do you mean by cavities and how are cavities formed? Yes. Question में लिखेंगे, we just answer it. Cavities कैसे form होती है? Your own words you have to tell. How cavities are formed? Or what do you mean by a cavity? Yes. Very good. The cavities are formed when we do not brush the teeth. When we do not brush the teeth. They are formed when you do not brush the teeth properly. When you do not brush the teeth properly, so what will happen? What will happen? There will be plaque formation. What is plaque? Plaque is formed. Sticky layer of food particles get stuck in your teeth. Food particles, they remain stuck in your tooth. Okay, they form a sticky yellow layer. What is plaque? Sticky yellow layer. Sticky layer. It is on the teeth. It is formed on the teeth. When it is formed when you do not brush the teeth properly. Clear? Food particles, they stick to the teeth. They stick on the teeth. And bacteria grow over there. Bacteria, or we can say germs, they start eating. Okay? The sticky yellow layer, they go in the sticky yellow layer. They feed on this sticky yellow layer, and what will they form? They will form an acid. An acid is formed, and that acid causes the formation of cavities. क्या formation होगी? Cavities. क्या form होगा? Cavities are formed. इसको क्यों नहीं बोलते? प्लाक. समझ लगे आपको कैसे कैविटीज फॉर्म होती है? When you do not brush the teeth properly, plaque is formed. What is plaque? Sticky yellow layer on the teeth. Okay. cavity means its teeth start decaying. Black spots will appear. Okay, black spots जब बन जाती है तो cavity will be there, and when cavity is formed, I'll check. I'll check. I'm coming to your side. This is better. इसमें labeling नहीं है. देखो कैविटी पहले इनेमल में बनेगी. इसमें क्या होगा? Look here, all of you. Then food item will go over there. Bacteria will reside in the cavity, or further it will start decaying the fruits. तब ये डेंटाइन में और पल्प तक पहुंच जाएगी. It will be very painful. Then your teeth may be removed by the doctor, or it will be very painful. Okay, that भी कर देते हैं. Sometime तो we should take a good care of teeth. How can we take good care of teeth? Let's speak out. We should avoid sweets and chocolates. Sweets and chocolates. Yes, we should cross it. We should not eat sweets and chocolates. Taking care of teeth. About what else we can do? We have to